Good morning. We are from Team 4. Before we start, let us introduce our group. First, I'm Andra Marani, and she is my friend Elsa Mauli Anggaraini. And then Sherly, and the other is Rido Prakoso and Muhammadin Syukur.
Before we start, we need to prepare two material and tools. 1. Crossover cable. 2. RG45. You must choose PC and then crimping tools and scissors.
If you want to connect two pieces with Ethernet online, you first need is crossover cable. It's hard to connect two pieces for transfer data. Now we start to make LAN network. First, fill up the cable and remove the outer jacket of the cable. Second, cut this cable. Third, and twist the pairs so they will lay flat between your fingers. Fifth, arrange the wire based on the wiring specification you are following. White, orange, orange. White, green, blue. White, blue, green. And white, brown, brown. Press all the wires flat and parallel between your thumb and forefinger. And then keep the wires flat and in order as you push them into RG45. And plug with the flat surface of the plug on top. Finally, place the wire plug into the crimping tools. Okay, we already finished to make LAN cable.
Guys, my name is Rido Prakoso and my friend
Muhammadin Syukur.
Okay, I want to tell you
How to connect to computer with us Ethernet cable. Okay. First, you must verify that you have crossover Ethernet cable, and then you plug edge and of the Ethernet cable into an Ethernet network port. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, finish. And then you search control panel, and then you search view network status and tags, and you click change advanced sharing setting. Yes. You turn on file and printer sharing and turn on network discovery. Okay, save change. And then you click Ethernet and you setting IP address, configure IP address. Okay, your properties. You 192 pan. Okay, and you default gateway-nya, you set default gateway-nya. And you click OK. And I want to set PC to same to PC1 setnya. Okay. And you click OK. Okay. And then you search network. Okay, guys, we finished to connect Ethernet cable into computers. Thank you.